I won't be able to record or make videos for you guys. So just keep in mind that. Oh, but this is only temporary for me. I'll post at June 32. No, that's not. I'll post back in June 30. So I've been feeling like really annoyed and bored of making videos for you guys. And I just got scammed earlier. Click my channel below and you can just click on that video. It's nice second. If you scroll down, you'll see King Hedgehog. I was looking forward to making more videos with King Hedgehog. This is temporary. Subscribe if you want. I won't really care about it, I just give up on trading. Trading in Grow Garden is like worthless. Just try to get something for yourself. Just don't try to trade with someone like he won't scam, he has a lot of success, he will record. Nonsense. Lies.